How long do bamboo sheets last? 7 tips to extend their life. Spot wash stains to avoid washing them too often. Spot washing is an effective way to clean up small stains without washing the entire sheet set. This helps prolong their life as too much washing can cause them to wear out quickly. Always consider air drying instead of using a dryer. Air drying your sheets is a great way to keep them from getting overused and worn out. Not only does it help preserve their life, but it also helps reduce energy costs associated with drying them in the dryer. Use a gentle or delicate cycle when machine washing. When machine washing your bamboo sheets, be sure to use a gentle or delicate cycle. This helps ensure that the fabric doesn't get stretched or damaged in the process. Store them properly in a cool, dry place when not using them. When not using your bamboo sheets, it's important to store them properly in a cool, dry place. Improper storage is the leading cause of wear and tear on sheets, so be sure to store them properly. Avoid using harsh chemicals or detergents when washing your bamboo sheets. Harsh chemicals or detergents can cause damage and deterioration to the fabric of your sheets. When washing them, stick to mild detergents and avoid using harsh bleaches or other chemicals that can damage the fabric. Follow proper folding techniques to avoid permanent creases or wrinkles. Folding your sheets properly will help to prevent permanent creases or wrinkles. If left unchecked, wrinkles and creases can worsen over time and make your sheets look worn down. Use vacuum storage bags for long-term storage. Vacuum storage bags are an effective way to store your sheets in order to preserve their life. Not only do they help keep the fabric from becoming damaged, but they also help protect them from dust, dirt, and other particles that can cause damage or deterioration over time. Bamboo sheets are a great investment that can last for many years when taken care of properly. Following these tips will help you extend the life of your bamboo sheets and get more use out of them. With proper care and maintenance, they can last up to 10 years or more. For more helpful tips on how to care for your bamboo sheets, visit our blog at bamboocomfort.com. We provide valuable information and insights that can help you get the most out of your purchase.